how to install Google Home app on Android. Ready to bring your smart device under one roof? Let's get the Google Home app installed. First, unlock your Android phone and tap on Google Play Store. That's the colorful triangle icon. At the bottom, tap search bar and type Google Home. Hit enter. You're looking for an icon that looked like the little rainbow colored house. That's our app. Tap it and hit install. If your internet is quick, it will be done faster than you can say hey Google. Once installed, tap open to launch the app. From here you can connect smart speakers, light, TV and more, all from one place. And here's the pro tip. Sign in with your Google account so everything syncs perfectly. Just like that, Google Home is ready to make your life a little smarter. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe button for more quick and easy tutorials. See you in the next one.